Manual testing is slow. It breaks under pressure. And it can't scale. That's why the best teams automate everything. Playwright is the new standard for end-to-end testing. Cross-browser, blazing fast, and zero flakiness. In this video, you'll master it completely. Let's go! Section 1. What is Playwright? It's Microsoft's modern end-to-end testing framework. And it destroys the competition. Selenium is slow and flaky. Cypress is locked to Chrome. Playwright supports Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Edge with one API. It auto-waits for elements. No more random sleeps. No more flaky tests. This is the real deal. Section 2. Installation and setup. One command does everything. Run npm init playwright at latest and it scaffolds the entire project. TypeScript config, test folder, playwright config.ts, all ready to go. Run npx playwright test to execute all tests headless. Add the headed flag to watch tests run in a real browser. npx playwright show report opens the beautiful HTML report. That's the entire setup. Now let's write some tests. Section 3. Your first Playwright test. The test function wraps every test case. It receives a page object that controls the browser. Use awaitPage.goto to navigate to any URL. Use page.fill to type into input fields. Use page.click to click buttons and links. And use expect to assert results. The entire login test is about 10 lines. Clean, readable, and it runs in real Chrome. Ship it. Section 4. Smart locators. This is where beginners go wrong. They use CSS selectors that break on every UI change. Playwright has better options. GetByRole uses semantic HTML and is the most resilient. GetByText finds elements by their visible text. GetByLabel targets form fields by their labels. And GetByTestID uses data-tested attributes for ultimate stability. Ditch CSS selectors. Use semantic locators. Your tests will never break again. Section 5. Assertions and the expect API. Playwright's assertions are not like regular assertions. They automatically retry until the condition is true or the timeout expires. To be visible checks an element is shown. To be hidden checks it's gone. To have text validates content. To have URL confirms navigation. To be enabled and to be checked handle form state. All of these retry automatically. No more manual polling. No more random waits. Just write the assertion and let Playwright handle the rest. Section 6. Page Object Model. As your test suite grows, raw locators scattered everywhere become a nightmare. Page Object Model solves this. Create a login page class. Add a goto method. Add a login method that fills email, fills password, and clicks submit. Now in every test, you just call login.login. When the UI changes, you fix it in one place. All tests stay green. This is professional grade test architecture. Use it always. Section 7. API testing. Here's something most developers don't know. Playwright can test REST APIs too. Not just browsers. Use the request fixture to call request.get or request.post. Validate status codes with expect. Parse JSON responses. But here's the power move. Create an auth token via API, then skip the slow UI login entirely. Set the token and go straight to the dashboard. Your test suite runs dramatically faster. API plus UI together. Unstoppable. Section 8. Visual regression testing. This catches bugs that no unit test or functional test will ever find. CSS regressions. Layout shifts. Color changes. Use page.screenshot to capture images. Use to match snapshot to compare against a stored baseline. If the page looks different, the test fails. You get a pixel-level diff showing exactly what changed. Run npx Playwright test with update snapshots to refresh the baseline. Set this up in CI and you'll never ship a broken UI again. Section 9. CI/CD with GitHub Actions. Tests that only run locally are useless. You need them running on every pull request. Add the playwright.yml workflow file. Check out the code, set up node 20, run npm CI, install Playwright browsers with --with deps, and run npx Playwright test. Upload the HTML report as an artifact so you can view it even when tests fail. Now every pull request is gated behind your test suite. Bad code never reaches production. Section 10. Advanced Patterns. This is where Playwright really shines. Enable fully parallel to run all tests simultaneously. Set workers to 4 in CI and 50% of CPU cores locally. Set retries to 2 in CI to handle network flakiness without failing the build. Enable trace on first retry so you get a full clickable timeline of what happened. Set video to retain on failure so you can watch exactly what went wrong. And screenshot on failure for instant visual debugging. These config options transform your testing setup from good to world-class. That's Playwright mastered. Cross-browser testing. Smart locators. Page object model. API testing. Visual regression. CI/CD. All covered. You have everything you need to build a professional test suite. Ship code with confidence every single time. If this helped you, smash the like button and subscribe for more tutorials. Comment below, what app will you test first? See you in the next one.